Fine. Now, coming to the another question, a 40-year-old woman sees her primary care physician complaining of ulcer on her finger. She reported it started as a red bump. Knowing her patient was a long time avid gardener, okay, the physician asked if that finger has been injured by a thorn. Okay, so sufficient hint is there in the question. The patient responded, but she did not remember about the particular finger being punctured by a thorn or what. She certainly received thorn punctures in the past weeks. Okay, so this is very clearly being towards what? Sporotrichosis, done by what? Sporothrix skinke. Fine. So answer to our question is what? D here. And in this, what you need to focus upon is lymphocutaneous spread is the most common. Okay, there is a cutaneous inoculation, then it goes to lymphatics, then it goes to the blood. Fine. This is there, and mostly associated with rose bush thorns. Remember one thing: the chromoblastomycosis can also associate with rose prick and all. Rose thorn prick, the chromoblastomycosis can also associate. So don't confuse her. What is the characteristic point in chromoblastomycosis? It is pigmented, first thing. Second thing is wart-like lesion, varicose lesion. Okay, that is there, but it will not be in this side. It is a lymphocutaneous spread associated with what? Rose gardeners, which are working up in the rose gardens. They get the prick from the thorn. Okay, so what happens basically? There is a like initial lesion at the site of the puncture. The lesion often ulcerates and may develop a raised erythematous border. Okay, they have a red color border, and after that the extracutaneous ones, they involves the bones and joints also. So that is the osteo stuff of it. Okay, it can involve the lungs also. That is the pulmonary component of this sporotrichosis and all. So all this is there in this particular one. And what you find in this? Cigar shaped yeast cell. Okay, cigar shaped yeast cell is a typical feature because you know that Sporothrix skinke is a dimorphic fungus. So it will have both the yeast form as well as the mold form, mold at 25 and yeast at 37, and cigar shaped yeast cell is characteristic of it. Okay, the another thing which you can remember is narrow based budding. Okay, narrow based budding of yeast cell is a characteristic of this particular one, that is a sporotrichosis. Along with that, what you need to focus upon is the flower-like sporulation. Okay, that is the mold format, that is the flower-like sporulation. So all this you can find out in the exam as a question. Okay, so you need to focus upon all these points. This picture can also be there in the exam, and as a whole, from this particular rose, that is rose gardener's disease, subcutaneous disease mainly, but later on can change to deep mycosis. It is a dimorphic fungus. Traumatic inoculation happens if the treatment of choice is itraconazole. Okay, so this particular picture will help you to make a focus or make it in memory that the causative stuff of this is Sporothrix skinke, okay, which is a dimorphic fungus having both like mold and yeast form, and this particular picture will show up in your mind that what all you need to focus upon in the sporotrichosis. Fine. Now